Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Living. Today we're gonna be making a real quick dessert, the chocolate banana coconut balls. And for this one, I used the dark chocolate because the dark chocolate has a little bit of the bitterness flavor that can have the contrast with the banana and the coconut flakes. You can use your favorite white chocolate, milk chocolate, just your favorite chocolate. We need 3 ingredients: the banana, coconut flakes, and chocolate, which I have the chocolate pieces and also the chocolate crumbs, because we are going to make 2 kinds of these chocolate banana coconut balls. And as usual, I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. First, let's cut the banana into 5 small pieces. Next, I'm gonna microwave these chocolate pieces until they get melt. I heated them for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Even there are still some solid pieces inside, they are still melting. Just using spatula to stir them and they will get melt. We do not want to overheat those chocolate because they will get burnt. Our chocolate is melt and it's ready. We're gonna drop it from top to all the bananas. Now we're gonna spread these coconut flakes to our chocolate banana mountain. This one is ready and it's so pretty. I want to have it now, but hold on, just hold on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and it will get a better look and a better taste. Now, let's make the second chocolate banana coconut balls. And this time, we're gonna smash this banana. We don't need to smash the banana too much, just to leave some crumbs, that's fine. Now, I'm gonna add these chocolate crumbs to combine with the banana. If you have the chocolate chips, that's fine too. We just take a small amount from the mixture, place it to the plate. Try to make it in a ball shape. If you smash the bananas too much, like what I did, and they are not in a very good shape, no worries. Let's just put them in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes until they get better shape, and then we'll do the next steps. This is another way to melt the chocolate, because microwave is easy. It's much easier to burn the chocolate. So I just put hot water in the larger container and then heat this chocolate in this smaller container. So it's easy to melt but not burnt. Just keep stirring and look like this. And for this one, I ended up freezing them for about 30 minutes, and now they are in a very solid ball shape. Then we will do the same to drop the chocolate and then the coconut flakes. Let us know. These are ready to serve now. The only thing of this kind of chocolate banana coconut balls is because the inside is frozen. So when you drop the chocolate, it's hot and it gets freeze right away. So you may want to act quicker to drop the coconut flakes, or else it will look like this. The snow mountain with some snow splash. But it still turned out great. Okay, let's have a bite. I cannot wait to taste both to see which one is more delicious. I bet two of them are both delicious. Okay, let's try this one. It's good. It's delicious. Are you a chocolate lover? I am. And let me try this one. This one is the banana smashed with the chocolate crumbs. The taste, I think this one wins. But the overall look, this one wins. But that's me. You can have a try and have a taste and let me know which one you like better in the comment. I hope you like this recipe, both of them, and also love my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and also please comment down below, let me know which one you love better. And please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays! See you real soon in my next video. Bye!